So we're gonna talk about the Falkline method. So Falkline method, or also called Falkline dots method, it's a simple way to study the heredity. It study how the trait pass through family and generation. So the dot represent the member, the line represent the relationship of the family or the members, and it helps the Falkline method helps to determine how a specific trait get passed down or the dominant trait get passed down in families. Have the example where it shows the concept of the Falkline method. Here, as we can see, the father has a brown eyes, mother has a blue eyes, and there are three children. The first one, second one, third one. The first one has brown eyes, the second one has brown eyes, and the third one has blue eyes. But we're gonna talk all about, or if I'm gonna give you the vast example of Falkline method, it's like this. It's like this. We're going to talk about getting the genotypes, phenotypes in easy way or without using a Punnett square. It is alternative for Punnett square. So the first one here, it's dihybrid. So RR. So heterozygous dominant, heterozygous dominant, heterozygous dominant, heterozygous dominant. Here, R, as you can see here, the capital R shows the shape which is round. The small letter R shows wrinkled, it also the shape, and the Y is colors. The capital Y, yellow, the small letter Y is green. So we're gonna look for the genotypes of it. It's like this. It's like this one. However, in order for you to understand, we need to break it down like this. So, maumani katong the hybrid. So, mag-foil method to ta. However, we're not gonna do foil method inside or same trait niya diri, di ba? Kaning duha. Kato usually mag-foil method inside. But here, we're gonna do foil method outside sa katong laing trait ay sa katong laing parent that they have the same trait, which is like an R for round, yellow, Y for color, and Y for color. So here R, so R, capital R, homozygous dominant, capital R, small letter R, heterozygous dominant, capital R, and small letter R, heterozygous dominant, small r, homozygous recessive. So here, as you can see in here, we have 1/4 homozygous dominant. Since ang boxes niya 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 naman siya. So, 2/4 nga heterozygous dominant, and 1 nga homozygous recessive. So here, we have capital Y, small letter Y. So capital Y, capital Y sa tanan, which is homozygous dominant, capital Y and small letter Y, heterozygous dominant, capital Y and small letter Y, heterozygous dominant, small letter Y, it is the homozygous recessive. So 1/4 nga homozygous dominant, 2/4 nga heterozygous dominant, 1/4 nga heterozygous dominant. So here, we look for the genotype. Look ta sa genotype. So 1/4 katong homozygous dominant. Muna yung shape puro ha. 2/4 nga heterozygous dominant. 1/4 nga homozygous recessive. And katong mga color, muna yung mga color. Same na sila. So here, mag-una ta here. So 1/4 nga homozygous dominant. I-pares mo siya. So 1/4 nga homozygous dominant pero color. 2/4 nga heterozygous dominant, 1/4 nga homozygous recessive. So, homozygous dominant plus homozygous dominant, which is RR and YY, RR, YY, 1 times 1, 1, 4 times 4, 16. Same goes sa kani. Pares mo, RR, RRY, homozygous dominant. Same here, homozygous dominant, heterozygous dominant. So, RR, YY, YY. So 1 times 2, 2.
4 times 4, 16. Same goes here. Ang homozygous dominant o kang homozygous recessive, imong ipares. Sikit mo sila. So, 1 times 1, 1. 4 times 4, 16. So, mo na niya yung mga ratio. So, imo na siyang mahaton. Same cycle repod sa kaning heterozygous dominant o homozygous recessive. So, ang nagkuhat mo, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 1. Hindi ka na siya diri. So, here sa phenotype, look ka sa phenotype, mag-use na ka sa itong characteristics since phenotype man, di ba? So, here we have 3/4 nga round. As you can see here, tulo ka buhok. 3 ka buhok nga round, isa ka buhok wrinkle. So, 3/4 nga round, 1/4 nga wrinkled. Pares mo siya diri sa katong color, which is kind of this one. Tulo ka buhok nga yellow, isa ka buhok nga green. Diba? Tulo ka buhok yellow, isa ka buhok green. So, round, yellow, 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 4, 16. Same goes here, round, green, 3 times 1, 3, 4 times 4, 16. Same goes sa dire. And mo na ang imong, what do you call it one? The Fockline method.